The idea of yoga for hair growth may seem completely bizarre, but it's a real thing. Yoga is a great way to relax and unwind, but it also has some surprising benefits for your overall health. One of those is that yoga can help increase blood circulation, which can result in better hair growth. The idea that yoga poses like the headstand or downward dog help boost blood flow seems completely bizarre at first glance, but here's how it works.
Yoga is a great way to get healthy and lose weight because it involves engaging your mind, body and spirit in order to achieve balance and harmony. While many people think yoga is just about stretching their muscles or breathing deeply into their bellies, but not necessarily, there are plenty of other ways you can reap the benefits once you become more familiar with this amazing practice.
Yoga is a great way to improve circulation, which in turn can lead to hair growth. Yoga has been scientifically proven to increase blood flow throughout the body, including the scalp. It's also believed that yoga can help with other symptoms of anemia such as fatigue and weakness, which may make it easier for you to exercise more often and thus boost your metabolism even further.
Yoga poses like Sarvangasana, shoulder stand. This pose helps to increase blood flow to the scalp and promote hair growth. Sirsasana, headstand. This pose also helps to increase blood flow to the scalp and promote hair growth. Janu Sirsasana, head to knee forward bend. This pose helps to stimulate the scalp and promote hair growth by increasing blood flow to the scalp.
Padmasana, lotus pose. This pose helps to improve circulation to the scalp, promoting hair growth. Matsyasana, fish pose. This pose helps to increase blood flow to the scalp and promote hair growth.
Since hair grows as part of your body's overall health, practicing yoga regularly can be an effective way to maintain a healthy scalp. Yoga can help improve circulation and nutrient absorption in the scalp by increasing blood flow and energizing your body. Yoga can help improve circulation, which is important for your body's overall health and well-being. It also helps increase hair growth by increasing blood flow to the scalp area.
Another benefit of yoga is that it may help you grow thicker, fuller hair. In fact, some studies have shown that people who do yoga are more likely to have thicker or fuller hair than those who don't practice it regularly.